what happened every morning. My son's always laying down with me. Good morning. Good morning. Say hi, good morning. Say hi, good morning, baby. No? You always wanna lie down with mama, no? You always wanna lie down with mama. Why is it, baby? No, too? You always wanna lie down with mama, no? I love you. I love you. He's always in my arm. Okay, go to sleep now. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, baby. Hugs. Come here, look.
Oh, it's already recording.
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is, I don't vlog for the weekend. And today is Monday. Start for the dialysis day. So, and yeah. Hey, what are you doing? The two cats are doing something. Hey, psst. Anyway, yeah. And my husband is home. It's, it's his off. So we're going to dialysis, and happy Monday, everyone. And I will see you later. Guys, I'm just playing with the cats while waiting for the time. The day just started. We're heading to dialysis, but my husband is still inside, and I don't know. Winter is coming. He forgot his phone upstairs, so that's why he came up. He went back upstairs. Hi.
Hi.
How are you this morning?
Just very dandy.
We don't really see every day. He just hide from me every morning.
I hide from you? How do you figure?
It's nice to do jogging today. It's not hot.
It is a good day to do jogging, actually, because it's cool enough that you're not going to overheat.
Yeah, we both need jogging.
Yeah.
We both lost weight. So we're in the car again, and I'm doing something, a flip. It's not. I'm using my front camera and my back camera. I just realized that I can do this. So yeah. And where are we heading?
Home.
I thought we were going grocery.
I'd rather shower first. I guess we can go.
Oh, you can go shower first. It's okay.
These guys haven't even gotten there yet, in case they show up.
Yeah. These people, because they think they won't do the job today because they don't get the check from the last day.
Well, that's not why. He told me on Friday while I'm going to work that he wanted a check. And I told him Monday. Same as last time. They tell me on my way to work. I said, no, you have to wait till Monday now. They did the same thing on Friday. And that was not a problem. He's not here because he got another job. He's working on more than one job at a time. And somebody decided to pressure him on the other job, and he decided to go there. Like he's been doing to us every week, honey. He'll start on Wednesday. He'll start on Thursday. I mean, he don't fucking start, though. He don't come and work a week.
He doesn't continue.
He comes and works 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days in a week. I'm gonna hide that fucking beer.
We reduced the power on a bulb so far. So so I would have to think that those levels would
thought, because when you go to level 3 or level 2 from 1, you don't see the light gradually.
If you want to give me a few minutes, I'll check on the internet. I'm sure there's got to be an answer.
All right, check it out. Call me back. Thanks, man.
Okay. My husband's talking on the phone. His friend is talking on the phone. I'm sorry, guys. I do flip screen, and although already started the video, so it's okay. That's the car. That's the car. Back to the normal routine. Oh my god. I don't understand. I don't understand at all. You know what I mean? I don't understand. I don't really understand. Let me see. Somebody walking towards my husband's car. Okay, it's not the thief. I came here for the reason because I need this. This here. This is a hair roller because we have a cat and I always carry a cat, so I get here all the time, so I always have this. I'm hungry. It's already 10:45. I'm hungry. I eat just 2 pandesal. I have pandesal pot, and yeah, that's what I have. Hi guys, I watched my previous vlog the other day about the long distance relationship, about what happened me and my ex, ex-husband and my husband now. And I'm telling you about the story, but it's just God, it's just embarrassing, I don't really watch my vlog. I do edit my vlog, and then I will rewatch it one time, and then when I watch it again, and then people call, I feel like an idiot. I'm trying to speak English, it's just like, well guys, even even I know that I'm not really good in this language, but I'm here in the United States anyway, and my husband don't even want to learn about Tagalog or Bisaya. So it's my fault though why he doesn't want to learn. It's my fault because I always teach him bad words. It's not bad words like naughty, like part of the body thing. It's not really bad, right? But that's and it's just like, and then I explain to her, it's just that's why he doesn't want to learn. But anyway guys, I feel like so stupid. I'm stupid. Yeah, because it's just crazy. My husband's still in the shower, and I'm going to put some picture. Who is this? That's the sunglasses I wanted, guys. It's so cool, So I hope I send and when I went online, okay, it sold out, but it says you send them your email and they will notify you if they get restock, if they have more that I can order it, and then they can send it to me. And yeah, let's see if I can get it. Let's see if how long to wait to have it, because it's very popular this time. I saw it from Judy though. I saw it from It's Judy Time, and I think that's why it sold out, because a lot of people asking her where did she got it, and she told everyone that it's from Forever 21. So popular, that sunglasses. I can't wait. And it's Christmas soon. It's already September, and Christmas is coming. I don't know when I'm going to start doing my I can't wait doing the decoration for Christmas. It's gonna be pin in the neck because I have to go to the Yarik and get all the Christmas tree, blah blah blah, and all that decorations. But I can't wait. I like when there's a lot of lights. We have a light blinker around the ceiling in the living room. My husband put it. I hope it's still working, because we never took it off, because it's really unnoticeable though. You can't notice it because it's silver white thing like that color. And yeah, I'll see you later. Who is that calling? Hold on, guys. Nothing's going on. So what's going on with you? Yeah. So how's Texas? Oh, I like that, hot. So you're looking for Tommy? Yeah, he's in the shower, but if I think I'm gonna tell him when he's out. Okay. The same thing. The same thing, nothing new. Oh, yeah, that's good too. Yeah. So I hope to see you soon. Yeah, I've been asking Tommy, so how's Rich? And I hear that you've been in Texas and you came back here. I thought you're going to live in Texas for good. Yeah, because I can't wait to visit you there with me and Tommy to go visit you in Texas if ever you. Yeah. Yeah, because I heard that houses in Texas it's cheap compared to New York. Oh no, I think you need to find a wife. It's time. You you are looking? Yeah, I can help you. Yeah. No, it's just like she's not beautiful. That you're gonna be my uncle. Rich uncle. Okay, Rich, I'm gonna tell Tommy if he's done, okay? Okay. Okay, you too. Take care. Okay, bye-bye. That's Rich, my husband's friends, and it's one of my friends too now because he's a good guy. Oh, my husband is still in the shower, so anyway, yeah, anyway, he's divorced, and he's a very good guy. He said he's looking for how you call that, a wife. No, but I know he's joking because he's not ready to have another wife or another girlfriend or whatever. I'm hungry. What time is it? Holy cow, it's 11:30 and we still have to go grocery. My husband's always takes shower like forever. I'm hungry, guys. What I'm going to eat? Yesterday I have some of my... What is this? What did I have yesterday? Oh, yesterday I have Yesterday for lunch I have dried fish. Every time I go, oh my god, my phone is low bad. I have to charge this after, guys. Yeah. Every time my husband we go out for go grocery, I always said, hon, hurry up, please. I'm so hungry. He said, oh my god, hon, and he said, oh my god, hon, I'm tired of like hearing it like all the time. That every time we go out, like you're so hungry and always begging me and making me fast. And we're in the grocery and we can't do fast. So I said, hurry up, please, because I'm hungry. It happened all the time, and I don't know, it's just, I think that's me. That's why I have to eat before. I have to eat before we go. Anyway, guys, I'm going to charge my phone, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. I'm in my laptop right now, and what I did is I'm taking a picture with my, what is this? Photo booth, and then I do like a space alien in a chipmunk's lock. So I will put the picture now. Now I'm back. You see the picture? It's funny. Let me see if I can do it in video. Can I do it in video? Okay, let me do it, okay? Hello, I'm an alien from Road 51. Big head, big head. There's another alien, did you hear that? Oh, why my mouth is normal and my head is like not normal, huh? Oh my god. Do I look... I'm going to change to be a chipmunk. Chipmunk style. And I like it. I like it, chipmunk. I'm chipmunk. I look like a chipmunk. I look like a chipmunk. My nose is moving faster, 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 faster. My face is chubby, chubby little. I'm done. I'm going to return to my normal look. I'm back. Still ugly. Even it's normal, it's still ugly.
Time to find a new meat vendor. That's okay. I always one of the main reasons we keep coming here is because of the freaking meat. But
ShopRite is not bad.
yeah, ShopRite doesn't ever run too many sales either.
They don't have on sale.
That's why we come here, but they don't have it on sale here either, so what's the point? Otherwise, ShopRite definitely better and cheaper.
ShopRite?
Yeah, ShopRite's cheaper than Stop Shop.
Think so?
Yep.
What is this building? 2525, the number of that building.
Look at it.
Watch out, this guy is trying to walk.
He's gonna wait.
Are you kidding me? Stupid woman.
She just keeps going like, well, fuck everybody.
Excuse my word, guys. I said stupid woman. Yeah, mostly
Don't say
woman.
dumb bitch.
Usually women are just stupid.
Dumb frickin' hoe.
I'm just kidding. Honey, don't say that. That's a very bad thing. Oh my god.
You're excusing your language for saying stupid woman.
Yeah, but you see, that's really insulting.
That's when you excuse your language, not to say stupid woman. That's my point. You say, dumb bitch. Excuse my language. Stupid fucking language.
Yeah, you keep excusing.
Stupid woman? No, you don't excuse my language.
You're not excused anymore.
Nothing bad about stupid woman. It's just a description. How much accuracy it counts.
Mercedes-Benz. Stupid Benz. Oh no, watch out. That guy is coming. Okay, go. New York.
The way he's driving.
New York driver is cray. Here's guys my tomato. And there's three thing here. Is one here and one under there, and there's two here. Yeah, that's my tomato. It's growing fast. There's a cat. There's a cat, guys. Is that a cat? Yeah, it's a cat. He's complaining that he said I'm not cutting more for his pasta salad.
Two? The hell is this?
What is that? Oh yeah, just the same thing. I just like.
Oh, it was a piece of plastic bag.
No, I'm not putting plastic bag in your macaroni hen. What? You have to eat your food.
He says, I've been on the windows. This, Daddy, open them. I'm staying on the windows. Right, little man?
Ouch! Hello, Tiap. Hello? Are you gonna do something, baby? He's hungry, guys. He's meowing and he don't
You've been
even...
hungry since you got here.
He doesn't even eat his food.
You've been hungry since the minute you walked into this house.
No, he's not really hungry. He's a kid.
You are. You were hungry even then. Mama, I was starving even when I was little bit. I'm a little bit and I was starving. Hey, I want food. Give me food. I don't want to be in your arms. Let me go.
Such a baby.
Let me go.
He's such a baby, guys. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have dinner soon. Oh, let's see. Oh, we're gonna have. I'll show you what we're gonna have for dinner. Okay. Thing in there. We're going to have salad and string beans and my husband's macaroni salad.
Oh, you fed them?
Yes. and he doesn't eat both of them. They're like
I know you fed him dinner.
and look at that. He eat on when he put him in there.
I fed them at lunchtime, huh?
Huh?
I fed them at lunchtime too.
What did you give?
A can of the Primavera.
You did?
Yeah. That's why you fed them earlier.
I don't know that. You don't never told me.
Well, you didn't tell me you were feeding them either.
Well, we're equals. Hey guys, I'm outside right now and I'm just clearing some stuff out here. I don't know what time now. I'm not even sure. Hold on guys, I'll look. 7:14 already. Yeah, I'm outside. I feel like walking, but I don't have anybody with me. I don't have company, so I asked him to go with me, but he doesn't want to. Oh, he wanted to go, but he said, okay, like, you know, he doesn't want to do it. It's a little chilly now, and I don't have my jacket. It's cold. Anyway, guys. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm in bed, but I'm not going to bed yet. I just came here because it's my cable supposed to. My cable supposed to. Exage. Anyway, guys, I'll see you later. I forgot to show you the roasted pork that I did. It's not lechon, but it's just parang paa, the leg of pork. I roasted it. It feels good. It feels good. It's very immersed. The result's always good, and the skin is very crispy. Yeah, and everybody loves it. And I'll see you later.